Hey, it's Clay. In this video chart on ticker symbol CYDY, we will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And overall, interesting setup here headed into the end of the week. Friendly reminder, markets are closed tomorrow on Friday for Good Friday. So today being Thursday was the end of the week. But the first level that really stands out, and that plays a vital role here, is $2.97. And if you watch the past videos, I talked about this level time and time again as an area of resistance. And you can see that once again this morning. Surprise, surprise. That's right where the price ultimately, struggled and, found resistance. So the price actually got a gap up, but, that quickly closed as it was almost a miniature little gap and trap right there. But to be fair, the price recovered nicely, worked its way back upwards, and then just pretty much went sideways for the rest of the day. But what stands out to me, and don't get me wrong, just because this occurred does not mean that for sure a huge breakout is coming. But with, the movement, the price ultimately did make a nice and form a nice uptrending trend line there. So actually, let me change that to green to represent some bullishness there. So nice uptrending trend line. Again, does that mean that for sure a breakout is coming next week? No, if only trading were that easy. My point is, it's at least a valid and rational thought to have that maybe this is some sort of, bullish pattern that's taking shape where you have the uptrending trend line here. You have the very clear-cut area of resistance there. So really kind of a miniature ascending triangle pattern. It has taken shape. Again, guaranteed to explode to the upside. I wish trading were that easy, but it's at least a valid and rational thought to have. So in the event the price does work its way up to that resistance at 297 and get a break of through there, next key level of resistance not until up there around the 315 mark, which going through the history of the chart, you can see has rejected the price a couple of times here. On the flip side, though, if the price does roll back over to that trend line and then pushes down through it, at that point, the next key level to watch from the support side of things would be down here at that green line at $2.65. But in my opinion, at least, a very interesting setup here going into next week. So let's see how this all plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.